Hey guys, Fish Magnet Man. What a gorgeous day it is today. First of all, I really would like to say thanks for all the support and all the new subscribers. It's been a little while since I tossed my magnet. I actually started a part-time job here. I work 2 days a week now. I actually retired here early about a year ago, but I am working 2 days a week, something to help me pay for gas. You know, every time I go magnet fishing, I probably spend a drop of $20 spot or something. I took a little time off. I'm going to do a lot more magnet fishing. Going to start doing some dumpster diving. I actually went fishing today for the first time in 5 years, and I used to go every day. It was a blast. Didn't catch a whole lot. Did catch a small northern and a bunch of perch. And it was a good time. I loved it. I'm going to start doing some more fishing too, guys. Anyways, man, what a beautiful day. October 1st. Great day to be alive. Get out there, enjoy the weather, and toss a magnet and do a little fishing. Have a great day. We'll see you again. Bam. Check that out, guys. First fish of the year, small northern. Yeah. Catch him in these, buddy. Check it out, guys. First small northern this year. Yeah. You, buddy. First northern. Anyways, guys, okay. I decided to do some fishing today. I haven't fished for 5 years. First day today. Just caught my first fish, first catch. It was a small northern. Here we go. Okay, guys, a simple night crawler and bobber. There we go, guys. It's a little perch, guys. That's okay. Man, I miss this fishing, guys. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Kiss and release. Mwah. See you, buddy. Why, they're getting bigger, guys. They're getting bigger. Yeah. Not really. This is a baby perch. Just a little baby perch. You guys. Just a little tiny baby perch. We're gonna call him Perch. 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 Yep. Those little things are fighters, aren't they? They are fighters. Alright, guys. Perch number 3. Alright, hey. Alright, I don't know about you, dude, but. Woo! Oh! Settle down, buddy. I'm gonna put you back. There it is, guys. Come on. See you, bud. Alright guys, these are getting kind of small. How am I supposed to get a meal with this? Even for bait, I know. Okay guys. Oh, I'm back here now. There's another perch. Small little baby. Oh, oh. Okay guys. Goodbye, buddy. Another perch, guys. What's up with these perches? What's up with these perch? You guys are getting bigger. Yeah. Hey, they're getting bigger. See you, buddy. Darn little small little thing. I think they're getting a little bit bigger, guys. Not much, a little bit. Ricky's there. Come on, buddy. I'm trying to help you. Yeah. They're getting bigger, guys. Oh, up. Settle down. Settle down. Getting a little bit bigger, guys. Oh, there we go. See you, buddy. Darn little small little thing. I think they're getting a little bit bigger, guys. Not much, a little bit. Ricky's there. Come on, buddy. I'm trying to help you. Yeah. They're getting bigger, guys. Oh, up. Settle down. Settle down. Getting a little bit bigger, guys. Oh, there we go. See you, buddy. Another perch, guys. What's up with these perches? What's up with these perch? You guys are getting bigger. Yeah. Hey, they're getting bigger. See you, buddy. Darn little small little thing. I think they're getting a little bit bigger, guys. Not much, a little bit. They're getting bigger, guys. Oh, up. Settle down. Settle down. Getting a little bit bigger, guys. Oh, there we go. See you, buddy. Well, there's definitely a lot of perch in here. Say goodbye. See you, buddy. Getting bigger, guys. Hey, getting bigger. Still a perch. Come on, guys. Here, look at Getting bigger, guys.